Today I'm going to be talking about how to use GoBeaver AI. GoBeaver AI is a content marketing tool that's going to help you create affiliate marketing content and social media content as well. So without further ado, let's get into it. But before that, welcome to Digital Guide. Here we do product reviews and I give you tech guides as well. So let's get into it. So to access GoBeaver AI, you simply have to go to app.gobeaver AI. When you go there, you're going to come across this. This is what you're going to see. On the left side, you're going to see your dashboard, projects, affiliate networks, ad campaigns, saved ads, search ads, swipe ads, ad ideas, super spy extension, create post, draft post. You can click on this to make it broader so you could see everything that you can do with this tool. So from the dashboard, you see getting started, create campaign, activate 30 days trial. So to get started with Beaver AI, you could come here. You come here, you can see the getting started video. You can watch this to help you get a heads up on what you're getting into. But you can go back if you want to get started immediately. Let's say we want to get started with creating ads. So we're going to click on projects. In Come to Projects, we already have one project running. That is this project, but you could always create a new project at this part that says Add Project. So let us add project. The first thing you're going to see is project name and website URL. So for project name, you could name it anything. Let's create a replica of the project that we already have. So let's say this is going to be a project about a clothing brand. So say where you load. Come to here. We just use this. This is not um a website for us, but this is just to show you how much you can create. So this is a website for clothing brand ASIS. Then we're going to click on Get Project Details. When you come here, you already have a project description. Sometimes this is getting from the URL that you already added. So you see this already. And then they're going to ask you for keywords for your image. So we're just going to click on this. These are the keywords I already used previously when I was creating this project. So we're just going to click on that. Summer skirts, summer dresses, nothing too serious. And then we're going to click on Submit. And voila, you've created a project. So you get to come here. You need to click on Edit this project in case you want to change anything extra. You want to add something to the project description. You want to maybe make it more interesting, anything of the sorts, you can always edit it. But if you like what is here, you could just leave it and you could just close it. Now that we've created this project, we're going to come to Add Campaigns. When we come to Add Campaigns, we're going to go to Create Campaign. So when you go to Create Campaign, you see that there are different kinds of, we have specific ad type, we have ad genius campaigns, we have local campaigns, super affiliate campaigns, affiliate club, so many things. So all you have to do to begin is choose from a specific ad type the platform that you want to create an ad for. Is it for IG? Is it for Facebook? Is it for Google? Is it for YouTube, LinkedIn? There's TikTok, there's email, or you just want to create a video script. There's so many options. So let's say we want to create Instagram ads. I'm going to click on Instagram. And here you're giving different templates. So you have Insta Engage, Spark, product type, builder, Instagram, conversion caption, pro Insta sales booster, smart carousel teacher, behind the sales, Insta Black Friday blowout. So many things, Christmas cheer. All you have to do is pick the one that is closest to the ad that you're trying to run. So you could click on Insta Blackout Friday, and here you're going to be asked to create a campaign name or create a project. Now, if you remember earlier, we already created a project. So we could just come here and click on this So here, you could easily use the project that we already created earlier on, or we could create a new project. So let's use the projects we created earlier. You pick that one and you see all the details when that project is already here. So we could give this a name. And you give this campaign any name. Let's just say fashion campaign, anything you like. And then you just click on generate ads. You're going to ask you, are you sure? You're going to click on generate ads again. This might take a while, so you just have to be patient. And voila, your ad has been created. This is what it's going to look like. Basically, we have Black Friday fashion frenzy alerts, ready to turn heads with the latest trends, all that stuff. So you can always touch this up because as you can see, there's no image available. So you have select edit ad or post now. So if you click on edit ad, you're going to see more options here. You can upload an image because earlier, as I said, there was no image available. So here you can upload an image, you can generate with AI, or you can search for an image. So if you have an image that's already in your device that you want to upload, you could use that, or you could simply ask AI to generate for you. So let's do generates with AI. It's a picture of a lady wearing a yellow sport dress. Then click on generate image. That's it. It would be advisable to make your prompts more specific to what you might like, but this is just a demo of what you could do. So just like that, your prompt has been created. If you do not like this image, you could always generate a fresh one with AI and give it as specific a prompt as you would like. And then you come to the description. If there's something you'd like to change in the description, you can do that here as well. You could add more things, anything you'd like to do. You can touch it up here. Or if you don't like it, or if you like it, you could just leave it as it is. You could also come here to edit style. Here you could change your ad tone. You can make tone from any projects you already have ongoing, or you could reference ad. So here you could select your ad tone. You could make it promotional, informative, sensitive, casual, humorous, empathetic, optimistic, sarcastic, energetic. Let's click on energetic and this tap on generate ad. They've changed it for you. They even went ahead to change the picture to fit the tone of the ad as well. They made it different, added a few more things. It's shorter, but it's more energetic. So if you still don't like this, feel free to come here once again to edit style and change it. Now let's go to mimic tone from project. When you come here, there's not much going on because there is no project to mimic a tone from. This is already one project. But if you come to reference add, you can enter a text here. It could be any text you want from any previous ad that you've seen. You could copy and paste it here, and GoBeaver AI is going to reference that ad, is going to mimic that ad. So we'll just go back because we're not referencing any ad. We're going to go back, we'll come back to this part, and we could just save. So when you save, it takes us back to where we were previously. Here you can now decide if you want to post. So you're going to click on post now. And here you have the option to publish now, or you have the option to schedule. You can post for Facebook, or you can post for search for Instagram. When you click on Facebook, you see your ad changes to fit the social media platform that you click on. So this is what the Facebook interface looks like right here. When you click on Instagram, it changes, so it looks more like this. So you could publish now or schedule. All you have to do is select one social media account first and then click on either schedule or publish now. So now that we've gone through that, let's go back. Let's go back to uh, the left-hand side where we can see all the other things you could do with GoBeaver AI. Now we already created a project. So now let's look at affiliate networks. GoBeaver AI is connected to JVZoo, ClickBank, Warrior Plus. So you can visit any of these affiliate networks and connect there to your GoBeaver AI to help you with your affiliate marketing content. Here we can see our ad campaigns. Here we just created this fashion campaign. So if you want to make other edits, you want to add a thing or two, you simply have to come here to add campaigns and you see it right here. You can also create fresh campaigns if you want to as well. All you have to do is click on create campaign. Then you could look at your saved ads from here. But now we don't have any saved ads. You could also search ads where you won't see anything here because we haven't searched for any ad yet. So when you come here, you're going to see search Facebook ad. If you don't want to search for Facebook ad, you can come here and click on Instagram. You can select your country. Let's select Australia, select media type. Stick with images. We're gonna go for active ads and start dates to end date. So you want to see ads for, let's say, the 1st of May to the 7th of May. So you're going to enter your keyword. After putting in the platform, country, the media type, the access status, and the dates from which the ad was created, you're going to enter the keyword that's going to help you search for the ads. Since we're already talking or using fashion as an instance, let's just stick with that and just say some dresses. And you now come here and click on apply filter. And now because the time of our ads was short, it was just a week. From the 1st of May to the 7th of May, we only have one ad. But if you want to see more ads, you're going to have to expand your time so you could see ads from a wider period and from more people. So here we have Elf Resort. So when you look at this ad, you could preview it, you could save it, you could swipe this ad. So if we save this ad, we're going to set a folder. There are no options for folders. So we're going to come here and we're going to create a new folder. You could just name it. This is something that we've already typed in previously. So you can use this, or we could just type basically anything you like. And successfully you've created a new folder. So you're just going to come here one more time, click on fashion add folder because now this is the only folder that is in existence. Click on it and just tap save. Now we have 2 folders here. You can save it to any one of these folders you please. So let us look at other parts of GoBeaver.ai. So after looking at projects, we have affiliate networks. Here you see the other affiliate platforms that are connected to GoBeaver.ai. We have JVZoo, ClickBank, Warrior Plus. When you click on this, you're going to be taken to the JVZoo marketplace, or you click on this, the ClickBank marketplace, and click on this, Warrior Plus marketplace. And then we see our ad campaigns. We just created an ad, a fashion ad. So you can see here. If you want to create more ads, you can simply click on create campaign. Now we come to saved ads. Now this is the platform where you're going to save the ads that you are going to see in the next section, which is search ads. So here we're going to search for ads. So now we already imputed our platform, country, media type, active status, and then our time and date. So let us now impute the keyword for the ad we're looking for. Since we're already talking about something related to fashion, we could just continue with that. We could just say soft dress, something simple, something that we would have um, options for. Okay, let's try a different ad then. Summer gowns, and let's stretch the time and the date to, let's take it all the way back to March 1st. Now let's apply filter. So moving on, we have add ideas. For add ideas, this is basically where you can come and save basically anything that comes to your mind. Here we already have some saved add ideas. We have this one, we have this one. You want to add more, all you have to do is click on create new folder. Then next we have Super Spy extension. Now this extension is what you use to check out other sites or platforms on Google Chrome. So when you come here, you're going to see a guide on how to use the Super Spy extension. So you could watch that. Then when you come here, you're going to come to step 1 and you're going to click on this link here. I click on this link, it's going to take you here. Remember, you can only use this extension on Google Chrome. So you're going to simply come here and click on Add to Chrome. And you're going to come here and click on Add Extension. Then you're going to receive this message. You're going to click on it. GoBeaver AI has been added to Chrome. Manage your extensions by clicking extensions in the tools menu. So you're going to come here and click on this so you can pin it. So you just simply, you see this icon here that looks like a pin. You're simply going to click on it so it pins the extension to your Google Chrome. So anytime you want to use it, you could just come here as quickly as possible. And then you're going to click on connect to GoBeaver. And then you're going to ask you for your API key. So to get your API key, you have to go back to your GoBeaver AI account. And we're going to do that right now. We're going to go back just by clicking here. We'll go back and then we'll come here and then we'll click on extension key. Here, this is your key. All you have to do is copy. Once you copy, you come back here again. Click on GoBeaver, the GoBeaver icon here that we just pinned. Connect to GoBeaver again. Come here and just paste the key that we had copied and click on submit. And that is it. That's all you need to do. And now you've simply added the GoBeaver extension to your Chrome. And now we have other options here. After Super Spy extension, you can create a post. You can create your posts manually, use templates, or create posts and select from your campaigns. And this is where you're going to see, this is draft posts. This is where you're going to see every post that you create that you haven't posted is going to be saved under your draft post. And that is how you use Beaver AI. If you have any questions related to Beaver AI, do not hesitate to leave your questions in the comment section and I'll be happy to answer them. Thank you very much. See you in the next one.